Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nabila Ramadhani. I'm a college student from Business Education Class A 2018 in Faculty of Economics at State University of Jakarta. In this occasion, I want to share and explain about internship report in financing operation PT Bank Syariah Indonesia TBK Branch Office Abdul Muiz. And this is the table of contents. The first, we are going to company profile, and then vision and missions, and then organizational structures, and then time and place, and then job descriptions, next, obstacles encountered, and then how to overcome obstacles, and the last one, conclusions and suggestions. Okay, we are going to the first, the brief history of BSI. Indonesia, as the country with the largest Muslim population in the world, has the potential to be at the forefront of the Islamic finance industry. Increased public awareness of halal matter and strong stakeholder supports are important factors in the development of the halal industry ecosystem in Indonesia. There has been a significant increase in the last few years for Sharia products and services in Indonesia, making the government observe this as an important moment in the milestone of the Sharia economy in Indonesia. Islamic banks play an important role as a facilitator in all economic activities in the halal industry ecosystem. On 1st of February 2021, it consists with 19 Jumadil Akhir 1442 Hijriah. It marked the history of the merging of Bank Syariah Mandiri, BNI Syariah, and BRI Syariah into one entity, namely BSI. The launch was carried out by President Mr. Joko Widodo or Jokowi at the State Palace. This is the company profile about the internship program. The company name is PT Bank Syariah Indonesia Tbk, Branch Office Abdul Muiz. The address or location is Street Abdul Muiz, number 2 until 4, RT 11 RW 8, South Petojo, Gambir, Central Jakarta, Special Region of Jakarta 10160. If you want to contact them, you can call them on the phone to 021-345-0226 or 227, or you can text them to 021-351-8812. The website is www.bankbsi.co.id. This is the vision and the missions. The vision is top 10 global Islamic bank. These are the missions of Bank Syariah Indonesia. The first, providing accessible Islamic financial solutions in Indonesia to serve more than 20 million customers and to become a top 5 bank by assets, more than 500 trillion and book value of 50 trillion by 2025. Two, or second, becoming a mainstream bank that offers the best value to shareholders. To become one of the top 5 profitable banks in Indonesia that offers a return on equity of 18% and robust price to book value of greater than 2. The third is becoming the preferred company and pride of Indonesia's best talent. To be a company with strong values, empowering communities, and commitment to people development based on a performance-based culture. This is the organizational structures of PT Bank Syariah Indonesia. My positions is in operations, especially in financing operations. This is the time and place of internship. Practitioner carry out internship at PT Bank Syariah Indonesia TBK Branch Office Abdul Muiz from Monday to Friday with the working hours from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the break time from 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is the job descriptions. My jobs here are first, checking customer data through OJK Split. Second, make a contract for new customers. Third, archiving data about the opening of labor accounts at PTACF. Fourth, sort out the customer's data to specific folders. And the fifth, prepare files and make a data checklist for new customers. I also got some obstacles. These are the obstacles that I have to face. The first, the difficulties in terms of communication and adaptation, especially at the very first time. The second, some jobs and applications are rarely to hear. The third, the office computers are the old version and sometimes cannot connect to the available internet. The fourth, conquered work from one field to another. And these are the steps I overcome to obstacles. The first, open up more and start conversation and ask more questions that related to the assigned tasks and jobs. The second, take a note, ask for the explanation and search on internet more about the application. The third, send a report to the engineer and keep doing the other tasks that don't need computer or internet connection to do. The fourth, sort the task through it as soon as possible and share to the list to avoid the miscommunication. The conclusions. The internship program gives the practitioners some opportunities to know more about the first work-life experiences, especially the company's culture and rules in PT Bank Syariah Indonesia. The second, practitioners knows more about steps to be a new customers and how to prepare the data. The third, practitioners get to know more about SLIK or SLIC, HTEL or HTL, and other applications that only accessible by the chosen staff to operate. The fourth, practitioner got some obstacles and found out the best way how to overcome the obstacles. The fifth, practitioner got the chance to know more about archiving folders which contains important files. These are some suggestions from me for PT Bank Syariah Indonesia. The first, the internship program supervisor better to do company visit and ask the difficulties in the office. The second, make sure that every facilities can operate well because some tasks need computer and office Wi-Fi connection. Third, announce to the job seeker or internship programs enthusiasts to collaborate between company and young generation. And these are some suggestions for Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. The first, it's better the faculty have the company list and suggest to the practitioners, especially during pandemic. The second, give the complete guide to all practitioners before doing the internship program to avoid any bad situation. And the third, keep the communication and good relation with another institutions or companies for the next collaborations. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.